Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Aman Codes. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about the last conditional statement, that is match case statement, which is started using by Python programmers from Python 3.10 version onwards. So let's see what is this match case statement. So the match case statement is one of the conditional statement available from Python 3.10 version on. So before Python 3.10, there is no conditional statement called match case statement. So from Python 3.10, we are using this match case statement, right? So see here why we are using this match case statement. The purpose of match case statement is that to deal with the pre-designed or predefined conditions or menu-driven applications. Menu-driven applications in the sense, in the menu, we are going to choose options. On that options, the operation is going to be performed. So that applications are known as menu-driven applications. In order to deal with menu-driven applications or in order to deal with pre-designed or predefined conditions. So whether the age is greater than 18, then one condition, less than 18, one condition, greater than 21, adult, less than 21, one condition. In order to deal with pre-designed or predefined conditions or menu-driven applications, we are using this match case statement. So the menu-driven applications contains pre-designed or predefined conditions. So here match and case are the soft keywords. So in general, all our things match and case are keywords. No, they are the soft keywords. In order to know which are the keywords, which are the soft keywords, see I'm opening Python command prompt. So input keyword as k and k.kw list. If I try to do this thing, these are the keywords which are present in kw list, keyword list. If I try to declare here soft, if I try to declare soft kw list, then these are the four keywords which are comes under soft keywords list. Here we have case, here we have match, right? So underscore and type is also soft keywords. So here see, if I try to execute, the answer is 39. So the length of keywords are 35. We have four soft keywords. So 35 plus 4, 39 is total number of keywords, right? So here match and case are soft keywords, right? So come here, here match and case are soft keywords. So let's see the syntax of this match case statement. So match of choice expression, indentation symbol. After indentation symbol, we have to give one tab space. After tab space, we have to mention here cases. So case space choice label 1, indentation symbol, block of statements 1. So next case choice label 2, block of statements 2, like that. Case choice label 3, block of statements 3. So on we can declare like that case choice label n and block of statements n we can declare. And we can declare here a default case block, that is case space underscore. So here we have to declare default block of statements. So after that, this all cases, after this default case, we have to declare other statements that are present in the program. So if we want to declare this default block, we have to declare it the last only. If we are trying to declare this default block in the middle of cases, we are going to get a syntax error. And see here, choice expression can be either int, bool, or str. So this choice expression may be a integer value, may be a string value, may be a boolean value. In the sense, it may be true or false, it may be integer values, and it can be strs. Only that data only used for choice expression. Whenever this choice expression is going to match with choice label 1, then it is going to execute. Then PVM is going to execute block of statements 1. Whenever this choice expression is going to match with choice label, then PVM is going to execute this block of statements 1. If this choice expression is not matches with choice label 1, it is not going to execute this block of statements 1. It is going to check with another case. If choice expression and choice label is not going to be matched, then it is also not going to execute this block of statement. It is going to search for another case. So if choice expression and choice label 3 matches, then it executes. Not matches, then it search for another case. If the choice expression is not going to match with any of the cases that we are declared, then it is going to execute the default case, that is case space underscore. This is a default case. It is going to execute this block of statements. Default block of statement, it is going to be executed. After executing this default block of statement, it is going to execute other statements which are present in the program. If this choice expression is matched with this choice label 2, then it is going to execute block of statement 2. After executing this block of statements, it is going to execute other statements that are present in the program. If it is matches with choice label 1, it is going to execute block of statement 1. After execution, it is going to execute other statements that are present in the program. So this is flow of match case statement.